Hello there, it's Sanu, your IKEA enthusiast back again. Nice to meet you all. Today, I'm going to introduce the latest IKEA fall collection. This glass too has a wonderful design. I think it's a Halloween-inspired collection, but it works perfectly well outside of Halloween too. The design is so lovely that you can enjoy it all year round. IKEA's limited collections are truly limited, so if you see something you like, you should buy it right away. First, these plates come in a set of 4 at this price. On the back of the dishes, you'll find marks indicating they are dishwasher and microwave safe. The wavy shape is really cute. I knew these plates would sell out quickly, so I featured them in a short video as soon as I got them. I immediately put them in the dishwasher. While they're washing, let me introduce 2 more items from the same collection. These are fall-themed artificial flowers. This red leaf one is very large, and I was surprised to see just how much comes in one piece. This is a garland. It's a long decoration that looks cute even when coiled up. The leaves have a dried autumn look. I think they mixed various colors to give it a realistic autumn leaf look. I initially checked them on American IKEA sites since they weren't on the Japanese site yet. I thought this wreath was cute, but up close it looks quite artificial, honestly. Such items look better when viewed from a distance. Here I've hung it on the door with an IKEA Kungsfors magnet clip. Unfortunately, our door is orange, so I don't think it matches very well. If you have a green wall like the official site or even a white one, it would look amazing. So for now, I placed it on a Gladom side table, surrounding a candle. I also placed the plates there. They look very cute. The side plates are 17 centimeters in size, perfect for serving small snacks. I highly recommend getting these as soon as possible. Returning to the store footage, here's another new product. This is a wall-mounted side table. The color is quite surprising. It's blue. Such a unique color. The drawer opens and closes very smoothly. I love the combination of white steel and wood. It's perfect. There's a groove at the back for cables, making it ideal for a bedside setup. Without legs, it keeps the floor space tidy. This headboard is a popular item, the Mandal headboard. The next new item is also a side table. This new color is available for the side table. The new colors are pink and blue. Aren't they just adorable? They have a mixed white tone, which makes them very cute. They are also very affordable and extremely lightweight. The design includes handles, making it easy to move around. Since colors rotate frequently, get them soon if you're interested. There are many new duvet cover products, and I'm considering a makeover with these. However, be cautious with IKEA duvet covers, as some don't have zippers or buttons. Initially, I didn't understand this, but users say that slippery duvet materials can slide out. IKEA's cheaper ones often lack buttons, so be careful. It's easier to get a feel for duvet covers in the bed section rather than the duvet cover section. Many new bold colors and patterns are available. I've been eyeing this bedspread, so I decided to get it. I'll show you how it looks later. This is the duvet cover section with many new items. At the same time, many discontinued items are on sale. You can get great deals, so I wanted to share this information. I had my eye on this item, but it wasn't on sale yet. As you can see, some items are half price. This is at IKEA Japan, but I assume similar sales are happening in other countries. I bought this white cushion I've been eyeing for a while. Since I passed on the duvet cover, I'm planning to change the ambiance with accessories. This brown cushion cover is very cheap, but I like it, so I bought it again. There are more new fall items, especially limited collections, but I'll show you those later. First, let me show you how I set up these items. When new items arrive, older ones are often heavily discounted. If you think some patterns won't be very popular, you might want to wait for a sale. However, missing out can be disappointing. This is the brown cushion cover I bought again. Despite being so cheap, the texture is lovely. It feels like linen and looks refreshing. I saw it in the bed section and decided to replicate the look. It comes in 2 sizes. I have 2 single beds side by side, so this size is just right. I removed the cushion covers to wash everything. These long cushions come with inserts. Unfortunately, I couldn't find them at IKEA in the USA. Here's the current setup before washing. As you can see, there won't be a dramatic change. Setting expectations low, I finished washing. There's no need to iron as the wrinkles aren't noticeable, which is great. The long cushion insert is surprisingly fluffy, not flat. It might look a bit weird, like a strange creature, but it's fine really. It's just a cushion. So I arranged the cushions on the bed and spread out the washed bedspread. This is how it looks without ironing. The waffle-like texture is great. It's very thin, so it dries quickly. How does it look? Just spreading it out gives a hotel-like feel. I remove it when sleeping and toss it into a nearby basket. Back to the store footage. Here are more new items. I finally saw this mirror in person. It's bigger and cuter than expected. The frame is flat, which is a nice touch. With all the blue items this season, it would look great together. The blue clocks are also very cute. These posters are new items as well. Introducing the fall limited collection mentioned earlier. This kitchen cloth is part of the HÖSTAGILLE collection. Search HÖSTAGILLE to find more items. The kitchen cloth is quite thin, suitable for wrapping lunch boxes. Not sure if that makes sense. Here are an oven mitt and a pot holder as well. Both are reasonably priced, making them easy to add to your kitchen collection. These are the wavy plates I introduced earlier. I heard they sold out quickly at the Yokohama store in Japan. Someone told me they might be restocked at the end of August. Check your local IKEA stores. The cake stand in the same design as the plates was also very cute. It's not part of the limited collection, but the 3-piece set next to it has a lovely pattern inside. They're sold as a set with a tray, but they don't rotate. The colors are also nice. The size is quite unique and they're deep, making them practical. The HÖSTAGILLE collection also includes tablecloths with bold designs. Just one of these can completely change the ambiance. As with the duvet covers, new items come in, while spring/summer patterns get discounted. Some items are not discounted, of course. These went on sale on August 1st. Discounted items vary by country, so be sure to check. And don't forget about the paper napkins. They're an affordable way to add seasonal touches. Spring/summer items are also discounted now. Candles are another limited item. It might be nice to enjoy a different scent with an aroma candle. There are still many new items, but this video is getting long, so I'll stop here. I might introduce some of these in a short video later. Please subscribe to the channel. I also purchased this shelf, which I hope to show in the next video.
Thank you for watching until the end. I would love to hear your comments. See you in the next video.